Engine knocking, also known as detonation, happens when the air-fuel mixture in your engine ignites prematurely. This causes an uncontrolled combustion, creating excess pressure on the piston and cylinder walls. If left unchecked, engine knocking can damage parts like pistons, cylinder walls, and head gaskets. Prevention tip 1. Use the correct fuel with the recommended octane rating. Using the right fuel ensures that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Different engines are designed to run on different octane levels, and using a lower octane fuel than recommended can lead to knocking. Always check your vehicle's manual to know the right octane rating for your car. Prevention tip 2. Maintain proper ignition timing so your spark plugs fire at the right moment. Ignition timing is crucial because it ensures that the spark plug ignites the air-fuel mixture at the optimal point in the engine's cycle. If the timing is off, it can cause the mixture to ignite too early or too late, leading to knocking. Regularly check and adjust your ignition timing as per your vehicle's specifications. Tip 3. Regular maintenance helps avoid carbon buildup, a common cause of engine knocking. Over time, carbon deposits can accumulate on the engine's components, affecting the combustion process. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the fuel injectors and using fuel additives, can help prevent these deposits from forming. Keeping your engine clean ensures that it runs efficiently and reduces the risk of knocking. Tip 4. Check for worn components like piston rings, bearings, and spark plugs. Worn or damaged components can lead to improper combustion and increase the likelihood of knocking. Regularly inspect and replace these parts as needed to keep your engine in top condition. Pay special attention to the spark plugs, as they play a crucial role in the ignition process. Lastly, keep an eye on engine temperature to prevent overheating, which can worsen knocking. An overheating engine can cause the air-fuel mixture to ignite prematurely, leading to knocking. Ensure that your cooling system is functioning properly and that your engine is not running too hot. Regularly check the coolant levels and inspect the radiator and hoses for any signs of wear or leaks. By following these tips, you can prevent engine knocking and protect your engine for the long run. A well-maintained engine not only runs more smoothly, but also lasts longer, saving you money on repairs and replacements. Regular maintenance and using the right fuel are key to keeping your engine in good shape. Take care of your engine, prevent knocking. Remember, a little effort in maintaining your engine can go a long way in ensuring a smooth and trouble-free ride. Regular checkups and timely interventions can help you avoid the costly repairs associated with engine knocking, so stay proactive and keep your engine in top-notch condition.